Dad, this is my helicopter, and this is the V268 I told you about. You see it flashing? You see it, Reese?
Yeah, I see it.
So I'm going to show you how easy this thing is to fly. Turn it on. Now here we go. Very easy to fly. It's got gyroscopes in it to keep it stable.
Don't go too fast.
Okay, I'll slow down.
Kinda can't keep up with it.
Very easy to do. You can fly it, land it. You can go backwards,
Sideways,
forward, backwards, and then you just land it. Just like that.
perfect landing.
Piece of cake.
Mhm.
Okay, you stop it.